Hi guys, so today we're going to talk about lenses and custom lights and things like that. On when you want to do a custom light but you can't find that lens or something, but you got to make them. So what we did is we started off, we 3D printed the part that we was wanting. So we 3D printed it's got a bezel, and then this here is going to be the lens. So it looks shiny in that because afterwards we smoothed it off and cleared it and everything after 3D printing so that we can make a mold from it. So that's what we did here. So we made the mold using silicone rubber from BJB products. And Kahuna here has done that. We're going to demold this one and show you how we done it. So he filled it. So after the rubber was made, it left that void of this part here in there. He filled it through here. We done that on a separate video. All of these are the little vent straws that it comes out of to let the air come out, and then it pushes all the air out, and it also shows you that you got it the mold all the way filled up all the way around. So Kahuna's gonna go ahead and start pulling it apart, and you can see what it looks like coming out of the mold and stuff like that. So just a little twist on those to break it free from the plastic that's down there. It's actually a polycarbonate, I believe, isn't it, what the material is? So we put the wood on there. That way we can clamp the thing top and bottom and make a nice flat seal because the silicone is a little bit flexible. That popped out. I don't know if you can see that down in there, if you can see how, so it pulled off the top mold piece. Well, those are pretty heavy. So you can see the detail of the mold there. Really makes a nice clean part. And that's it. So a little bit of cleanup to do there. Boy, I mean, just a very little bit. I mean, look how nice and shiny that part is. So that's all because of the way we made the part so nice and smooth here. So then that transfers into the mold. You can see how glossy the mold is. And then that leaves us a really high quality part. So then that part there is actually going to be the turbo inlet for this car. And then also it's going to be our turn signal and a running light. So that part will actually glow right inside the bezels. Really excited to see this thing done, aren't you?
Yep, it's gonna be awesome.
Yeah. All right.